So this is being coined as the world's first flex fuel based car. Please give us an understanding that what the concept is and how it is being claimed as the world's first car.
So it's the world's first prototype of BS6 Stage 2 compliant
Okay.
इलेक्ट्रीफाइड फ्लेक्सी फ्यूल, यानी कि इसमें फ्लेक्स फ्यूल कैपेबिलिटी है, यानी कि आप पेट्रोल या इथेनॉल दोनों में कोई का मिक्सचर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं।
Okay.
दूसरा, इसमें इलेक्ट्रिक पावर ट्रेन है, दो पावर ट्रेन, एक फ्लेक्सी फ्यूल और दूसरा इलेक्ट्रिक, उसके कारण इसको इलेक्ट्रीफाइड कहा जाता है। उससे बेनिफिट ये है कि फ्यूल एफिशिएंसी बहुत बढ़ जाती है। और व्हाट मेक्स इट वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट इज दैट इट इज गोइंग टू बी BS6 स्टेज 2 कंप्लाइंट।
Okay.
जो अभी तक इलेक्ट्रीफाइड फ्लेक्स फ्यूल व्हीकल थी, जो ब्राज़ील में 2019 में लॉन्च की गई थी, उसकी जो इमिशन नॉर्म्स हैं वो कम हैं इंडिया के बनिस्बत। देयरफॉर ये दुनिया की पहली BS6 स्टेज 2 कंप्लाइंट इलेक्ट्रीफाइड फ्लेक्सी फ्यूल व्हीकल है।
Okay. Sir, the but obvious question is, though this is first such concept-based car, what are the next steps that you are going to follow, and by when a customer can actually see this sort of car coming on road and buying it?
सो इसमें अब फाइनर एडजस्टमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड हैं, उसके बाद टेस्टिंग, होमोलोगेशन, सर्टिफिकेशन जो कि चाहिए होती है फॉर यू टू बी एबल टू ब्रिंग आउट द प्रोडक्ट, वो स्टेजेस अभी बाकी हैं।
Any timeline that you are seeing? No.
वी आर लुकिंग एट एज फास्ट एज पॉसिबल।
Okay.
एग्जैक्ट डेट्स आई डोंट हैव राइट नाउ।
Sir, seeking the current scenario where 11.5 or around 12% ethanol blending has been achieved, government is looking to achieve a 20% target by year 2025. So seeking that sort of target, what more support could have been there to realize this target, and how the auto industry is looking at the entire development, sir?
सो इसमें सबसे पहले ये जहाँ तक हम पहुँचे हैं, जो जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो सरकार की सपोर्ट्स के बिना नहीं हो सकता। दूसरी चीज़, ऑल स्टेक होल्डर्स हैव टू सपोर्ट, वेदर इट इज़ दी ऑटो इंडस्ट्री और दी इथेनॉल मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, ऑल दी ऑयल कंपनीज, ऑल हैव टू कम टुगेदर टू मेक दिस ड्रीम एक्चुअली रियलाइजेबल। आगे जाने का हमारा देखेंगे तो जैसे कि MOPNG मंत्री जी ने कहा कि ऑलरेडी 3300 ऐसे पंप हो गए हैं जहाँ E20 मिलना शुरू हो गया है। E20 जो है 2025 तक पक्का आ जाएगा, एंड जैसे कि अनुमान है इथेनॉल प्लेंटी में अवेलेबल होगा। सो अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ इथेनॉल, देन कंज्यूमर को अडॉप्शन करने के लिए लाभ, यानी कि पॉलिसीज जो सपोर्ट करें कि कंज्यूमर एक इस तरह के व्हीकल को ले, ना कि पेट्रोल या डीजल को, उस तरह की पॉलिसीज जैसे ही आएंगी उससे बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होगा। गवर्नमेंट ऑलरेडी PLI में फ्लेक्सी फ्यूल इंजन के लिए कवर कर रही है और ज़्यादा बेनिफिट्स दे रही है, और हमें पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि वो इस यहाँ तक लेके आए हैं तो आगे भी इसको जल्दी इस इकोसिस्टम को ले जाएंगे।
My last question, sir, on the upcoming festive demand. Basically, the festive season it has knocked in. How you see the overall momentum, the consumer demand, the sentiment? How you see? Seeking the important aspect that recently Finance Minister has raised the inflation point. She has mentioned that inflation is still a major concern. So how you anticipate the demand is going to be, sir?
देखिए, the sentiments in the Indian economy remain very buoyant.
Okay.
The reason is we are an island of, let's say, tranquility and doing well. We are the fastest growing large economy. Therefore, with positive sentiments and with the growth kind of numbers we are seeing, in the automotive industry, we are confident that this festive season is going to be better than the last one, and the momentum is going to carry on.
And the sales will be coming from the SUV segment?
Well, that's a taste factor, right? So there is definitely a perceptible shift of the consumer taste towards a particular shape, and that will be determined by the market forces.
Madam, thanks for speaking to us. With camera person Dilip, this is Samir Dikshit. Right now, I'm sitting in a very, very special car. The first look suggests that it's a Toyota Kirloskar Innova High Cross. So what's so special about it? The special is its engine. So this is a full flex fuel vehicle car. It's not just India's first, but world's first prototype BS6 Stage 2 electrified full flex fuel vehicle. The first such prototype, it has been unveiled by the Union Cabinet Minister Nitin Gadkari, Mahendra Nath Pandey and Hardeep Singh Puri. And this is world first such full flex fuel vehicle that you are seeing. As of now, it's a strong hybrid vehicle. So it has got two advantages. The first one is that a fuel, it can run up to 100% of ethanol fuel, alternative fuel which you are talking about. So the ethanol consumption could be up to 100%. And to improve the fuel efficiency, it has got electric train as well. So to improve the fuel efficiency, it has got electrified power as well. So that's a very interesting concept that has been adopted, and that is the reason it has been termed or coined as the full flex fuel strong hybrid electric car. So it can run up to 100% of ethanol fuel, and even for improvement of the fuel efficiency, it has got electric twin. Now when we talk about world's first, so this sort of full flex fuel vehicle, this was first introduced in year 2019 in Brazil. It was there, but this is first vehicle globally which is matching to the standards when it comes to the emission norms of BS6, whereas the 2019 Brazil concept couldn't match to the BS6 emission norms. This one matches to the emission norms. Now the interesting part is that the prototype has been unveiled. It matches, it is completely to the vision of Modi government's Atmanirbhar Bharat, because it is being made in India. And the interesting point is that the prototype has been unveiled. Now further steps will be followed. For example, the final calibration will be done, then the certification part will come. Once all those process will be adopted, then it will be going in for the mass production, and then it may be rolled out for the consumers or for the public. But as of now, a prototype that has been unveiled, it's an Innova High Cross flex fuel strong hybrid vehicle, and government understand that these sort of cars or auto development will help to reduce the dependency on petroleum products, and also reduce the imports and enhance the ethanol blending concept as well. With camera person Dilip, this is Samir Dikshit for ET Now.